Okay, take 3. Have fresh batteries and a new string because I realized that the string that I have been using for the past 2 times was also string that Paul likes to cook with. Bastes up a slab of meat, roasts it or grills it, and uses that string, and that's why it doesn't catch on fire. And I thought it was the flammable liquids that I was using. Okay, so take 3 of firing off the top of a bottle. The idea is to light the string on fire and then douse it in water, and the top will fall off so that I can use the jars that I've been saving, or the bottles that I've been saving for ever for cool projects, or even to send to my friends. So tonight we're using Hendrick's Gin, and I've switched to a scrap of yarn, cotton based, highly flammable I'm hoping, and I'm going to douse it in the acetone, otherwise known as nail polish remover. And I'm sure you can hear Yoda walking around the workshop, smelling everything and looking for this. He always comes running when I do my nails too. It's pretty funny. Okay. So, very doused string. And I'm hoping also that the temperature of the garage is not affecting this string to flame up. Aha! We have contact. We have fire. So the idea is to keep turning this. Oh, and it went out. No! Come on. Maybe I should get a blowtorch out. That would work better. What is the deal? Okay, so that catches on fire. The knot, but only for a second. I'm getting highly frustrated. I wonder what else to do. Fail! Take 3.